Well, how the hell are you? You know, I've been looking around and I've seen a lot of people are talking about, you know, the 5.56 223 cartridge. And they're like, man, some guys are like, I could blow the jiggly bits off Bigfoot at 500 yards. Other guys like, oh, it's just a 22 caliber. How much damage can it actually do? So I thought, hey, how about we just go shoot it at just random stuff and see what it does? And I know some of y'all uptight, snowflake type folks are going to be like, well, why would you do that? Well, because...
Feel that, buddy? Huh? Huh? Huh?
I hope that helps. All right, let's get started.
Pork and beans! Oh man. Delicious. Go.
Coke or Pepsi? I'm thinking Pepsi.
Damn. Oh man, check that out. Pepsi didn't stand a chance.
The set of nuts on this guy. Holy shit.
There ain't nothing but pina colada all over the wilderness.
Pickles.
Shit. Shrapnel.
Cheesy.
Ooh, damn. Oh man, got a little queso-y on that one. It just blew a damn hole in it.
Pineapple Express?
Damn. Holy shit. Yeah, that's awesome. Here's the other chunk. That thing just got ravaged.
Get off me.
What'd it do? Oh man, so that's exit. Nice. Gotta worry about my, oh, butterfly likes it.
Balls deep. Damn, where'd it go?
All right, that was a home run. Look at that, that's exit. It went in, little bitty hole, went out, big hole.
Nobody likes grapefruit. Ooh, safety, damn it. There you go, baby.
What's it look like? Holy shit. That's nice.
We need something good. It's bologna.
Shit. Just punched right through it. Oh shit, no, I mean I blew out a nice little chunk of the bologna.
Kobe.
Oh, she just deflated. Let's go take a look. Oh man, that was just clean in and out. Look at that. Where we go? Yeah, right there. Here's in.
Something I missed a basketball.
It's just that little pinhole all the way through it. That's awesome. No, you got it. She's flatter than shit now.
Mustard.
Well, officer, looks like a yellow massacre. Mr. Mustard didn't stand a chance. Playtime's more fun with Play-Doh. Wow, look at that. It kind of just went in. I don't know, it just kind of blew the side of it. Maybe I shaved it. Oh shit, sorry. There it goes. Maybe I just shaved it. Just blew a chunk out the side of it. That's awesome.
How about a light bulb?
Damn. Well, ain't really much left of that idea.